Yan ang aking hobby. Ganda ng coffee. Ano nila, oh. Wine area nila, oh. Grabe ang breakfast nila. Sobrang sarap. Dami nilang choices. Ang laki-laki. Alam mo. Ang ganda. Hindi mo alam kung anong pipiliin mo. This one, I don't know what is this. Parang nilalagyan yata ng ano to. Dami siya, oh. Choices, ang dami. Masarap. May mga hot soy, congee. I think I will taste this one. What is this? Crispy fish. Look, ganda. Oh, I like this too. Can I have this one and chicken? Yeah, with fish ball. Is this vegetable noodle? Egg noodle. Okay. I don't like egg noodle. Kainin ko siguro. Wow. Chocolate fountain. Daming choices. Pancake. Iba-ibang kulay. I think I will get this one. Purple. Purple pancake. I will taste. And I will put on. Alam mo ba yung honey nila dito talagang original talaga. Yeah. But I really love this coconut pancake. Coconut pancake ang tawag nila. Sobrang sarap niya. Yung honey nila talagang natural honey. Kompleto siya. Sarap lahat ng pagkain nito. Mashed potato. This one, I will love this one. I will get this to her. And lots of food. Ito yung breakfast nila. Galing. Galing. This is the one? Yes. Okay. Thank you. Oh, no. Baby. Bring this in the table, ha? Yung ano mo, brown, hash brown. Kasi, hindi ko madadala to kay daddy. Ha? Oh, go. Hash brown na yung kinuha ko sa'yo, eh. This is the chicken noodle. I will bring this in the table. Ang laki ng area nila ng breakfast. Hindi ganda. Mahal chicken noodle. Kinuha kita ng chicken noodle. Sabaw. Chicken yan. Ito dito ang pinakagusto na anak ko. Kasi yung section niya, puro talaga siya pambata. Makita mo. DIY. Pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mong assign. Muffins. May fruits. Sobrang dami nilang prutas. Kaya parang baliwala lang sa kanila may oatmeal. Ayan, ang laki ng area. Hi! Ma, come! Coffee ka. It's okay. Ha? Pwede, halika. Tara. Dali. Maganda ng pantalon mo. Ha? Maganda? Ano mo? Hi, companion. They are room 2217. they will just wait for us.
Yeah, we're not gonna eat. We're
Yeah.
just gonna wait for them.
Yeah. Oh, doon na po na. Mag-lemon uli kayo ulit. Dali, kape-kape uli kayo dyan. Ay, pwede naman magkape-kape uli. Maniwala ka dyan sa bayan. Maniwala ka dyan. My aunt. Yeah. Hi, good morning. Yeah.
Ikore,
Ala.
sir, galing din mag-koray.
Oh, si Sir. Look at this. I really like this one. Diba ang ganda ng breakfast area nila? Sarap. Okay, we will eat first. Bye.